Okay, so I've had the Irobot Roomba 980 now for about 3 years, and I reckon compared to the cheaper Irobot Roombas, don't waste your money on this. It's really not worth the money. That's a summary of it. Essentially, one of the problems is, even though it's advertised as having Wi-Fi connection and the fact that you can control it over the app, essentially, at least in my house, it gets stuck. And one of the common places that it gets stuck is up these seats, and it will get randomly stuck in other places as well around the house, which kind of defeats the purpose because it doesn't even get back into its docking station. It's kind of like too stupid to even find the home. So for example, if I start it here and then I press home, so I pressed home now. Like, why is it going, like, the base is there, so it should be turning around and going back, which, if I remember correctly, the old Irobot used to do, and this one does not. So even though it's got all these fancy features, it doesn't actually work in real life because it can't get back to its base, and it gets stuck literally almost every time that we set it off. Now, having said all that, it probably is more powerful than the old robots. It's got the new brushes, which don't need that much cleaning compared to the old brushes. So these are actually easier to clean. But apart from that, I reckon the old iRobots are just as good, and I would not waste your money on an iRobot 980.